guys, nice to meet you again. We have today puzzles and with numbers, you can see. Okay, we have today numbers and we will talk on numbers and make so much things today. And let's begin. First, let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now it's your turn. 0, 1, 2. Good job! Good lesson. Okay, now we will put these in a circle like this. Okay, like this. Now, where is now here? The 0. We need 0. Show me where's the 0. I cannot see it. Where is it? Yes, here is it. Good job. Where's the number 1? I don't see it. Where? Good job. Here is it. Where is this 2? I don't see it. Where is it? Tell me where is it, kids? There it is. Good job. You have good lesson. Okay. Where is the 3? I don't see it. It's over there? No. Here? No. Is this number 3? No. This is number 3. Good job, kids. Now, where's number 4? Is this number 4? No. This? No. Where is it? I don't see it. Here is it. Good job, kids. Where's number 5? Where is it? I don't see it. Do you see it? Tell me, where is it? There it is. Good job, kids. Oops. Like this. Good job. Have a good job to do. And where is the 6? I don't see it. Is this the 6? No. This? Yes. Where is the 6? The 7? Where is the 7? I don't see it. Tell me. I have no idea. Here it is. Good job. Where's the 8? The 8. This or this? Which one? Tell me. This. Here is it. This is the number 8. Where's number 9? That's easy. Here it is. Here. Good job. You have a good job. Now, let's read and tell the numbers, okay? First me and then you. 0. Where is the 0? Here it is. Where's number 1? Here it is. Number 2, here it is. Number 3, here it is. 4, here it is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And most of all, the 10. This is the 10. Like this. Do you see it? This is number 10. Now, for the last bit, subscribe and do like. Goodbye.